Hey, so in this video, I'm going to be going over some new updates in regards to the Emergency Money for the People Act, which proposes $2,000 per month in stimulus checks to U.S. citizens over the age 16. There's now another proposal for free rent and mortgages for up to 1 year. So much to cover in this video. Now, don't get your hopes up, this might not happen. Many people still haven't even received their first stimulus check yet. Trump still needs to finish printing his name on them. Make sure you stay until the end of this video where I'll be going over why the IRS hasn't started mailing out those $1,200 checks. If you're interested with everything going on with these stimulus checks, with the new bills, the new updates, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button to stimulate the YouTube algorithm. Also, make sure you leave a comment if you have any questions about the new bill or just stimulus in general. That's like my new favorite word. And I'll do my best to give you a quick answer. I'm going to keep making these videos with updates, so stay tuned. Let's get started. It looks like a deal has been reached for more stimulus money to become available to small businesses through the PPP, the Payment Protection Program. Democrats, Republicans, and even the president seem to be in agreement. This is good news for the Emergency Money for the People Act, the $2,000 per month stimulus bill. Because this issue about the PPP running out of funds is what was standing in the way of getting more people talking about this $2,000 monthly check. 2 days ago, I discussed the comparison between what we have proposed and what Canada is already doing with their stimulus package, which is already paying its citizens $2,000 per month. So make sure you go check that out after this video. The Payment Protection Program ran out of funds last week with all $349 billion spent. And now we are seeing approval for another $300 billion. So now that the PPP funding is being addressed, Congress can turn their attention over to the two new proposals everyone is talking about. The Emergency Money for the People Act and a second new proposal called the Rent and Mortgage Cancellation Act, which just got introduced. If you'd like to read these bills yourself, the links are in the description below. Here are the key highlights of the bill. Rent and mortgage forgiveness for a primary residence. No debt can accumulate. No impact on credit. A relief fund for landlords and mortgage lenders. Funds to increase affordable housing. And it'll be retroactive on March 13th, 2020. Now, it's important to note that this bill will not cover any second homes or vacation homes. So here we have two proposals for Congress to wrestle with. It's kind of funny how universal basic income, something that Andrew Yang heavily promoted during his campaign, might be getting a test trial. Some people thought this was so crazy and outlandish, and now here we are talking about it. Here's a tweet that shows his support for the bill. And look, I get it, $2,000 a month for people to be doing nothing is a big deal. People would quit their jobs for that. A lot of those jobs that probably are going to become fully automated in the future anyways. Truck drivers, cashiers, fast food. These checks would enable people to start looking for other jobs. Start their own businesses, which is what I like to talk about on this channel. Or to go back to school to work towards new opportunities. And remember, this check is probably only going to be able to cover the basic essentials of life. If people want anything more, they'll have to keep working as inflation skyrockets. This quarantine is probably the single best opportunity to find a new skill, because those without jobs have so much downtime. Okay, so now I have some bad news for mailed stimulus checks that were supposed to start going out last week. This is a quote directly from the Treasury Secretary. Checks have not yet been sent. We want people to use the portal, which is at irs.gov/EIP. So whether you file your taxes or not, you should still use the portal because that's what they want you to do. This implies that the checks are probably going to be delayed for we don't know how long. Again, they probably haven't gotten Trump's name on all the checks yet. That could be the holdup. In all seriousness, let me know what you think about this. Which proposal would you like to see happen? Is this the beginning of universal basic income? If you're new here, I make videos regarding personal finance, online business, investing, and entrepreneurship, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate all the support. I will also continue posting new videos on stimulus updates, so make sure you stick around for that. Don't forget to hit the like button to stimulate the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much for watching this video. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Peace.